Introducing the BB4 and BB8 battery timers, the first cordless timers with the professional quality you've come to expect from Kitchen Brains. BB timers are lightweight and portable, so they work where you work. There's no need to hire an electrician for installation. Just insert the batteries, mount its magnetic backing to a metal surface, and you're good to go. Don't have a metal surface or want to permanently mount your BB timer? You could choose one of two additional mounting options to best meet your needs. Use a BB timer to monitor your grill, fryer, oven, mixer, holding stations, buffet line, wherever you need one. BB timers are easy to use and include a durable, space-saving design, a choice of 4 or 8 channel timers, intuitive programming from 1 second to 99 hours, the option to count up or down, pre-alert reminders, and LED and audio alerts with adjustable volume controls. Ensure food quality and safety, increase product yield, and enhance the guest experience with an affordable BB timer from Kitchen Brains. Get yours today. BB timers. They work where you work.